Welcome to Saliqa Mag. Today's tutorial about how to make puff sleeves. You can use different fabrics like georgette, chiffon or silk, and the effect will be different. So I will show you how you can make pattern and how you can attach elastic on this in the front, and step by step all techniques I will show you. Pattern making is very important because after this video I'm planning to teach you different styles of sleeves. So in those styles this pattern will be used. So hope you will understand this pattern. So we will start different styles. So first we need our 20 by 20 inches fabric. I'm first using my pattern paper, but you can directly can cut on the fabric if you are on advanced level. But as I just told you that this pattern will be used in different styles, so better if you learn this. But if you are not interested, you can skip this part and directly go to the cutting part of the sleeve. Anyhow, that's how you have to fold it. And this is the front, and this is where our curve will come, the armhole curve. Here I'm marking 8 inches, that is my front, because I need extra than my actual front, because all these things will go in together, so that's why I'm taking it 8 here. And after that I will take the 9 inches lengthwise, means our total length of our sleeve is 9. So here I'm just marking 9 inches. This is a standard size. You can use this style for any ladies dress, but if you are working with baby dresses, I will show you in upcoming videos. So that's how you have to mark here 2 inches and just make here a line. This is actually our helping line, and this line actually we don't need in this type of sleeve, but in upcoming videos I will show you why I mark this line. Because if you are making puff sleeve with dots, so in those type of sleeves this line will be used. But anyhow, now I'm just marking my side line a little bit slant like this, exactly on the point where you mark the 8 inches, and from here to here just join. This is not any calculation, just join. Here it's 8 and the lengthwise is 9, and just make here this shape. Hope you understand till here. And now we will make here a little curve, but this curve is only needed when we are making with the see. Now I'm making the armhole curve first, and this is armhole curve obviously need here, and that's how I'm just going to mark almost 2 inches up and just make here a shape. After making this shape, we need the inner shape, that is for our front sleeve, something like this. If you don't know how why we give this, you can check my sleeve making tutorial. This is actually for the shape only on the front side. Now I will show you a little this part. This is the inner curve. We can cut here, but here I'm not going to cut from here. I'm just going to cut here the straight. So now let me cut this pattern so you can understand on what lines we need to cut. And here you can see I'm using my paper scissor and just cut here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. And that's how this is your end pattern, and this is actually for 2 sleeves. So now also cut on the front side, the deep cut. And after that, now I'm just going to separate these 2 sleeves, and See, that's how the gathers will come. I will show you in the fabric. So let's start fabric cutting. So basically you need to cut your fabric in a bias or in a 45-degree. Here I have a fabric in less width, so if you have a less width fabric, you can simply make first sleeve, I mean the both sleeves separately. Now you need to fold your fabric in a 45-degree, but here as I have less fabric, I'm just placing my fabric, my pattern in a 45-degree, like something like this. My front would be here, as you see in the video. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling well. I have suffering from some sort of tonsil issues, so I can't speak loudly, but anyhow I hope you can understand. And that's how I place my fabric. Now I'm just going to mark all my pattern and then we'll cut. So you can see now I will use my fabric scissor instead of the paper cutting scissor. So now just cut it quickly. And if you like video, please thumbs up, because YouTube will know that people are liking my video, so it will really encourage, really help me to make more videos. And I'm actually just using some old fabric, used fabric. This is actually my daughter's dress that is very old. The color is fade now, so I decided to use that fabric just to show you people. So anyhow, now I'm going to my machine and I will show you how you can stitch this beautiful sleeve. So first thing is to fold the front, and now I'm on my machine. Quickly I will fold the front. I'm doing it freehand, but as I told you before, that press it well and then pin up and then go to your machine, because especially as a beginner this is very important. But I'm not going to use this sleeves later, so I'm just doing it very roughly. And even on advanced level, these are the things that give you very neat finishing, that every time you have to press and pin up. So this front is done. Same thing I will do on the other sleeve, and then let me show you how to stitch the, see both is ready. Now this is the my front, and now on this armhole side I need to mark here first the center, and then at 5 inches I'm just going to mark here a cut, so that I will stitch here for making the gathers. Let me fold it like this. See, almost at 5 inches I'm just going to mark here a cut. Now from this cut to the other cut I will stitch a straight stitch for the gathers. So I will show you how you can do that. So from first cut to this second cut I'm just going to stitch here, and try to make it close to your edge. But anyway, after completing our sleeve we can remove this, because this stitch only is for the to give the gathering to our sleeve. So same thing I will do here. And now I'm going to attach the elastic. So for elastic, this thin elastic is easily available in tailoring material shop in different color. I have one brown and one white, so most of the dresses I can use these two neutral colors. So hope you guys can see here. This is very stretchable but thin as like a thread. So we will do it like with little stretch. We will fill in the bobbin with hand and with a little stretch. After fill it by stretch, we will start stitching as normally. I will show you how you can do. That's how you have to fill in your bobbin. And if you have that plastic machine like white machine, same method will apply on that machine as well. And at this point you can increase your tension to get more stretched fabric, because we need here the gatherings. So just you need to make here a line, draw a line, but I'm just doing without any lines. And basically I will stitch 2 lines to make it more good look. So that's how you can stitch. And with parallel of this make another line, and see, automatically it's giving you the gathers. And when you wear this sleeve, it is very comfortable because elastic is there, so it will adjust according to your sleeve size. So both sleeves are done. Now the next step is to make the fitting line. See here, both lines I should join here. So let me explain you that how you can join this line. But before that, remove that elastic and fill the normal thread. And guys, please give me your feedback, that is very important. So here, see, this is the elastic line. Now I'm going to stitch from here the side lines and double lock in the front and the end, the starting and the end point. And I just make the video in the fast forward mode so you can better understand. So let me show you on the paper pattern which line is this that I'm actually stitching. So here is my pattern. So see this small line, this line, that is I'm just stitching here. So now gather the pull up your thread, and to make the gathers, it is a very common thing that beginners break the thread. Use the technique that always only hold your thread and then pull your fabric. Don't pull your thread, and gently pull your fabric. In this way your thread will not break. So this is very useful tip. Apply this every time when you make the gathers by hand like this. And the other side as well, and same thing we will do in the other sleeve. And now the attaching the sleeve is same, that that's how we attach the normal sleeves. The method is same. And you can check the width according to your armhole size. See, if your armhole is 8.5, so you can see here 8.5 is okay. So if something is less or more, you can make the gathers more, or you can make the gathers less. So this is the final look. So let's try it on the dummy. Hope you like this video, and please give your feedback. In upcoming lesson I will show you more designs of sleeves. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.